In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block and unblock a sender in Outlook. If you've been getting unwanted emails or you need to restore someone you previously blocked, I'll walk you through both actions step by step so you feel confident doing it yourself. First, let's get into Outlook. Open your browser and go to Microsoft.com. From there, select All Microsoft to view the available services and choose Outlook. Click Sign In and log into the account where you want to make these changes. Once you're in your inbox, find a message from the sender you want to block. Right-click that email to open the context menu. Choose Block and then select Block Sender to confirm the action. When the confirmation prompt appears, click OK. That's it. Messages from that sender will be routed away from your inbox going forward. A quick tip: blocking affects future messages from the exact address or domain you've selected, so double check the sender details before you confirm. Now, if you need to undo that later, here's how to unblock. Start by opening the File menu, then choose Settings. In Settings, select Mail, and then go to Junk Mail. This is where Outlook manages filters and blocked lists. Scroll down until you see Blocked Senders and Domains. This section shows every address and domain you've blocked. Carefully look for the sender you want to unblock. When you find them, click the trash icon next to that entry to remove it from the blocked list. To finish, click Save so your changes take effect. Give it a moment and new messages from that sender should be allowed through again. If you don't immediately see the sender in your inbox later, try refreshing or checking junk to make sure nothing old is still sitting there. Also, keep in mind that interfaces can look slightly different across Outlook versions. If your screen looks a bit different, follow the same labels: File, Settings, Mail, and Junk Mail to reach the blocked senders and domains area. To recap, blocking is done directly from an email by right-clicking, choosing Block, selecting Block Sender, and confirming with OK. Unblocking is managed from your settings: File, Settings, Mail, Junk Mail, open blocked senders and domains, remove the entry with the trash icon, and click Save. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.